After 8 months of decoration, Neview officially moved to a new building in 2026, a modern headquarters integrating research and development, manufacturing and display, office and service. It has been officially put into full operation. The Neview 5 started. Neview is the national-level small giant enterprise and excellent private enterprise. The new building has 5 floors, 1 floor underground and 4 floors above. The total construction area is around 23,000 square meters, including production and company showroom, R&D, and staff activity space. The company reception hall is on the first floor. It is the first stop for customers. And the same floor for the production and assembly workshop, with 7.8 meters height and 5 tons floor load bearing capacity. All equipment are assembled and debugged here, under full operation. It can assemble 200 sets equipment simultaneously, providing a solid guarantee for large-scale production. The second floor is a 5,000 square meters. Equipments and pre-production workshop undertakes important functions, such as new product development and production. It includes area of new product R&D, incoming material inspection, component assembly, and raw material warehouse. Each link is efficiently connected and strictly controlled to ensure every product has stable and reliable quality. The third floor is 3,500 square meters exhibition hall and office. The showroom displays intellectual property, development history, and digital transformation achievements. Currently, Neview holds 69 invention patents and 18 software copyrights. From core technology to company growth, real-time display of equipment operation and grinding data. This comprehensively presents the strength and achievements of continuous innovation and steady development. The office area brings together teams of technology research and development, manufacturing, and customer service, enabling efficient collaboration. Meanwhile, supporting facilities of water bar and gym, which create a more comfortable and healthy working environment for the staff. The fourth floor is staff activity and communication space. It includes party member activity room, staff lounge, leisure, and multimedia conference center, providing an excellent platform for company culture and team communication. There is also a 1,300 square meters rooftop terrace, with greenery and flower boxes scattered throughout. It is not only an ideal place for staff to relax, but also an important space for company team activities. The underground floor is a 5,000 square meters parking garage, providing convenient transportation for staff, clients, and logistics. The opening of this new building is not only an upgrade of office and production, but also a significant milestone for Neview. Standing at this new starting point, Neview will continue to adhere to technology as its core and innovation as its driving force, and constantly strive towards higher goals. We sincerely welcome customers to visit Hefei and Neview.